Wait is over. King07 first live stream starting soon. Hi guys, I am Krishna, a video editor. This is my YouTube channel. Today I will tell you that how I make edits. First subscribe. Let's go. How I download video clips. Go on Google and search Pinterest. This will appear. From this website you get copyright free millions of short video clips. As example, I search BMW. These are the results. Click on three dots. Click on download image. It will show in your phone gallery. Shown. But stop. We want audio also. Search audio.com. This will appear. Click on this. From this website you got a millions of mixable songs. Click on these three lines. You will direct it to search bar. Search your own choice song. As I searched funk songs. Select your song category. I selected most downloads. Scroll down for more results. Only download the songs in MP3 file. Choose next for many more results. Download any one favorite. Now it will show in your files. Listen it and use. Now I will do editing. Very hard editing. I edit with InShot and CapCut and upload on YouTube. One thing more. Thanks for 100 subscribers. Support me for daily edits and content. Please see my channel. It is the view. Support our community to be strong. These are the links to the sites. Use this. You want to know who I am? I will tell you in next stream. Voice reveal at 1000 subscribers.